Hey yo, this is Dash, and today I am at the range, and this is a regular day, so I'm not the only one here. I had a few minutes. I figured I would come and shoot my PCC, my CMMG PCC. You guys remember that one, right?
Flashback.
You're joining me at the range, and we shall see if it works. So I'm not testing or trying out, worrying about accuracy. I am literally just trying to make sure that the rifle, well, pistol technically functions. Right. Yo! I cannot believe it. So if you haven't or do not know, this is my AR-9. This one has been problematic for me. So finally, I reached out to CMMG and they sent me some parts and told me, try this. You're going to need what they called a action tuning kit. The action tuning kit is intended to give the end user the ability to fine tune the cyclic speed of a CMMG firearm. I was able to install the kit that CMMG sent me. So I'm going to see if I can get through the last of these rounds without a problem. Oh, that is promising.
End of flashback.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just bust off a couple mags and let's get it done in 9 minutes. You guys remember? Of course, just dropped my mag. Luckily for me, I have some other mags already loaded. All right. So it's been, let's say, a hot minute, but it's been a little while since I've fired this. So we are going to just test it out. I have these a 10 plus 10 plus 10, so that's times 3. And I'm shooting out to 15 yards, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But let's see. Oh yeah. All right, one mag down. Pretty decent group. Nothing crazy. I think when I tightened it in, maybe 30 feet, maybe a little high, but I mean, I don't know. I don't remember. So I have some 124 grain ammo. I'm going to try that. Also got this speed loader. I'm trying to remember where I got it from, but this speed loader for these Colt mags is a game changer. It just rocks the rounds up and down, and then you drop the empty round. So this is a 10 plus 10 round mag. So check this out. I'll shoot on the right side with this 124. Let's see if I notice any big difference. No, nothing too crazy. All right, I have another big boy mag. We'll keep this one on the left. And let's shoot around. So try to get the top left target. Top right. Bottom left. Bottom right. So I'm trying to be careful in where I'm shooting because I set my camera on the carrier downrange with the target. So I'm not trying to hit I'm not trying to hit my camera. I limited how much ammo I brought with me. I had 2 mags that were, I'll say already loaded, that had some ammo, and I brought 1 box of ammo with me on purpose, just so I wouldn't be out here all day. Got the 20 round mag. Hell yeah. Yeah. No malfunctions, even when shooting quickly, spiritedly. Hell yeah. Woo. All right, now we're just going, let's take my time. Let's go for the right target, bottom right. Let's go right target, top right. Right target, left. Right target, bottom left. So that was it. Basically, I just wanted to function check the gun, make sure it was running properly. So let me pull you guys down and I'll bring the target back. I don't know why the target spun around. Not bad, not bad. Definitely could have been worse, but this was just an impromptu, quick visit to the range just to function check the gun, and it's working fine. I'll probably end up doing a cleaning video on this one soon, but thank you guys so very much as always for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Definitely would appreciate it if you checked out some of my other videos. Definitely check them out. I know this was not Canik related. I do own more than just Caniks. Anyway, thanks again. I'll see you next time.